Hello everyone, today I want to show you how you can view any website in a responsive fashion when you are using Chrome browser. That is something that may seem not to be easy when you search on some other extension outside there. You don't get into one, but I just want to show you the easiest direct approach of solving this issue. So to view this website in a mobile version, you need to right click and go to inspect. You can see, so here the dimensions shows us that it is responsive at a width of 796 and a height of 1031. So you can change this. You can use the percentage here to change that. You can also change it. Maybe you want to view it in iPhone 12 Pro. When you check that, this is now you are in a version of iPhone. So if you put it 100%, you will be able to see a bigger screen like this. So this is iPhone 12 Pro. If you want to choose a different, like Samsung Galaxy A51 stroke A71, you will be able to see the screen here. So you can enlarge it the way you like, and that is how you can view this in a responsive or mobile version. Thank you and God bless you. May you subscribe for my channel so that you will be able to see other videos that I will be uploading, and ensure that you check the bell icon, select all, so that any post that is coming in future you will get proper notification. Thank you. Bye bye.